Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Three Kingdoms. To begin, select a warlord and establish your starting territory. Your primary objective is to conquer and unify the land, which involves careful planning and strategic decisions. You will manage your economy, develop your cities, and recruit powerful armies. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for building a strong foundation for your empire and preparing for the challenges ahead. Core gameplay revolves around a turn-based system where you make decisions for your faction. Each turn, you'll manage your settlements, ensuring a steady supply of food and a healthy income. Recruiting various units, from infantry to cavalry, is vital for expanding your military might. Moving your armies strategically across the vast map to secure new territories or defend existing ones is a constant challenge. When two armies clash, you'll command your forces in thrilling real-time battles, making tactical decisions that can decide the outcome. Beyond warfare, diplomacy is a powerful tool. Forge alliances, establish trade agreements, or declare war. Each of your unique characters possesses special skills and traits that can significantly impact both the battlefield and your faction's overall governance. To master Three Kingdoms, focus on efficient expansion, balancing the growth of your empire with the development of your infrastructure. Keeping your populous content and public order high is essential to avoid costly rebellions. There are several paths to victory, including military conquest, achieving economic supremacy, or accumulating enough prestige to be recognized as the true ruler of China.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.